This is a custom Newton Crouch Model 31 self-contained stainless steel litter spreader. It has several very nice upgrades, including a CV PTO shaft, stainless steel hopper and oil tank, 10-bolt hubs with 16K axles, a 6-inch subframe lift, heavy-duty spinner motors, and larger diameter stainless steel dishes and blades. It has a CV constant velocity PTO shaft end on it. It allows you to be able to keep the tractor engaged while you make your turns. That's an option. It's very nice. On our Model 31 pull type self-contained unit, the standard equipment is a tandem Permco American-made pump here. It has enough hydraulic flow to control the bed chain and the spinners both. It is powered through a 540 or 1000 PTO shaft. On this tandem pump, that means that there's two different sections that generate hydraulic flow. The first section is the largest section and operates our spinners, and this back section controls the bed chain. This is our 40-gallon stainless steel oil tank here. We have a built-in sight gauge with a thermometer here. You can also see your oil levels in there, check your temps. You know, it's just like any other hydraulic oil, it will thin out a little bit as it warms up, or it'll be thicker on a very cold morning. This is our oil sight gauge here. It's very easy to read. It indicates oil level and temperature here. All of our oil tanks will share a common oil filter. This oil filter here is rated for the total accumulative flow, pressure, and return. So this is filtered twice. There is also an internal relief here. If something gets clogged up or the filter hasn't been changed properly, it will bypass and go back into the tank. But when it does that, we are not filtering the oil. These are the flow control valves with the built-in pressure relief. These regulate how much flow goes back to the spinners and the bed chain respectively. So to increase your spinner speed, you would just increase this valve here to put out a little bit extra litter, compost, shavings, lime. We would increase this flow control valve. This gate valve here are for the sections of the tandem pump, spinners and bed chain respectively. We always want to make sure that these are open, especially at time after delivery, the first time you use it. If this pump runs dry, you will burn it up and you will have to buy another pump. We have stainless steel pressure and return lines on the other side of the unit that run the length of the hopper. That eliminates hydraulic hose here. They'll last forever. This particular one is made out of 304 stainless steel. Our standard Model 31 pull type has 8-bolt hubs and 10K torsion axles. This unit is equipped with 10-bolt hubs, 16K torsion axles, and you can see a 6-inch subframe lift. On all of our Model 31 litter pull types, they come with a tandem Rawson gearbox with dual RE14 drive motors. This particular unit is equipped with the upgraded 30-inch spinner dishes. It has a 7-gauge stainless steel dish and blade. The blades are 9 inches long and there's 6 of them, and this is powered by our heavy-duty 1¼ inch shaft spinner motor. 1 1/4 inch shaft here. We have our special NCI motor cap that has a grease zerk in it. So we have the oil seal and a motor cap. It has a void. We can pump grease into it. Then this hub has a seal in it, comes over, and we can pump grease in it, fills this void, and it has a threaded center shaft. We put a cap on the dish there, so it eliminates any fertilizer melt being able to run down through your keyways and sitting on your oil seal and degrading it and causing a failure. This 667X medium duty chain has flat bar links welded in every other link here. That allows the product to drag out more uniform, and it doesn't pulse quite as badly as it breaks off the rear roller to the dishes. We have stainless steel gate jack slides with a stainless steel numeral indicator. This is the indicator here, and it would read how far the gate is up. This is a stainless steel gate jack extension handle hooked to a 7,000-pound sidewind jack that would move the stainless steel gate itself up and down to allow more or less product to come out the back to the spinners. On litter units, they'll have a material divider. Sometimes we'll call it a ducktail here. This just divides the product between the two spinners here and has this vertical piece so product can't overrun the dishes and leave a trail behind the unit. Every piece of equipment Newton Crouch manufactures will have a stainless steel serial number plate on it here. This is a very important, when you call in, you have a question about your machine, it'll tell us exactly how that machine left here, and if you need any parts, it's very detailed and specific information, part numbers, etc., so we can get you your parts right on time the first time.
NCI spreaders have a wide variety of options. Visit our website at www.newtoncrouch.com. You will be able to see this equipment as well as others in our product line. Then give us a call at 800-241-1350. Our sales representatives will be glad to discuss your specific needs. They can help you select the options and the equipment type that will give you the best value for your investment. When you call NCI, you will always speak with a person who will make sure your questions are answered. No recordings. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.